In my last video, I tested Nano Banana and ChatGPT to see which AI makes better coloring book pages. Now I'm turning those images into a real KDP coloring book that you can sell on Amazon today. So we'll take these images and we'll go over to Canva and we'll start creating a coloring book. The thing I like about Canva is there's already a ton of templates built in. You can literally search kids coloring book and it will pull up a ton of different templates. So for the sake of what we're doing today, we're just going to use 8.5 by 11. Then you upload all of your images into Canva, and all you have to do is click on it, resize it. To make sure that it's not pixelated when it's enlarged or printed, I like to upscale it. So I like to use an app on here. It's called Image Upscaler. And when you click on Image Upscaler, it fixes the pixelation. The other thing that you want to do is click on BG Remover so that if the background isn't perfect, it will remove it for you. And then you just increase it and move on to the next page. Increase the size, go to your app, go to Image Upscaler, and then remove the background, and then move on to your next page. These are the ChatGPT ones. You want to make sure it's centered. The way that you make sure it's centered is if there's a solid line going through and a solid line going across. So you want vertical and horizontal solid lines. If you see a line that's dotted, it's centering it to whatever's already on the page. So these three, these are the ChatGPT ones. And the next ones are from Nano Banana. Same thing. Add it in, center it, image upscale, and remove background. It does look a little less pixelated than the ChatGPT one. Add your image, center it, remove the background, and upscale it. No pixelation. Kind of like the vintage motorcycle. So these are some of our coloring pages. If we were going to put this on Amazon KDP, we would just go to File, Download, and click PDF for print. And I do recommend getting the Canva Pro so that you can select the professional printing. You'll use it for a lot of side hustles. And if you check out my tutorials, I give you those side hustles so you'll make your money back with this tool, but I do recommend doing that. So you go File, Download, PDF Print, and then you choose the professional printing, and it will download that PDF for you. So now we'll move on to creating the cover. And I have a prompt for that as well. Okay, so this is the prompt that I like to use for creating a coloring book cover and back. Using the front and back coloring book covers as an example, and my coloring book pages as reference, create a coloring book cover for my vehicle coloring book. Have a few of the images on the cover and make it colored. So then I will make it an image, and then I will add what I just had created, and I will go back and find the cover that we found, and I will take that image as a reference image. So I added all of those in here, and let's see what it creates. Wow, it looks pretty great. So I definitely like that. And I'm going to download that. And then I'm going to create the back. So I'm testing out a prompt to create the back, but I really don't need it. I just need the blue and the green colors, which I can do on Canva. The back is mostly about showing off what's inside the book. And there are a couple of little things that are wrong with the cover, but totally fixable in Canva. And I also can run the prompt again. So I'm checking out what ChatGPT just did for the back cover, and it looks great. I haven't read it to make sure that it's all clear, but it's perfect. It saves the little bottom corner so that we can put the barcode there, and it saves some spot at the top that we can put some images of the inside pages. So I think this is usable. We will download it and we will take it over to Canva. But before that, we'll go over to Nano Banana to see what cover and back cover it gives us. I'm going to save the exact same prompt and use it in Nano Banana. And I'm going to start a new thread because I noticed that sometimes it gets a little confused when you have different prompts for different things in the same thread. Okay, the prompts are in, the images are in. Let's see what it gives us. It's a little confused. Let's use the images that ChatGPT gave us for the cover and back cover as a reference. Same thing, just a little confused. So I'm not going to keep trying this. I think the ones that we got from ChatGPT are obviously much better. So I would say cover, definitely ChatGPT. Insides, I think you can go ChatGPT or Nano Banana, but maybe ChatGPT had a little bit better results. Speed, definitely Nano Banana. So let's go over to Canva and put the cover in. For the cover, we're going to go into Canva and look. Kids Coloring Book cover. What I like to see is one, like this vacation one where it's kind of big, because you need the back cover and the front cover on the same PDF. Okay, this book cover here, this says notebook and it has a seam down the middle. That will definitely work. And so we'll look through. Actually, this one is a little bit better because it's a kid's one. So let's just take this, even though we're not going to be using any of the images on here. We'll customize this template and we'll just remove all the background. Then we'll upload our designs in. If you did get an image from Nano Banana and it had a watermark, you can go over to Flow, which is another Google program, and you can enter that in and ask it to remove the watermark so that you don't have to deal with that. So you add the back and the front, and then you're going to want to put some of these images in there so that people can see what it looks like inside your book. There you go. Front cover, back cover. Make sure you proof it, make sure it looks good. The barcode will be right down here, and there you go. You have a full KDP coloring book. You can also upload your PDF to Etsy or Stan Store, and you can make it a digital product in your Etsy shop. So you'll take these, you'll download it, PDF or print. You're going to make sure you want to choose to do file, download, PDF or print, choose the professional printing. Then you're going to take it over to Amazon KDP. If you don't have an account, sign up. You'll click create new title or series, paperback, and then you'll enter in all of the book title, subtitle, all of that information, upload your PDF files. You'll be able to see what it will look like to go through to make sure there's no printing issues, and then you'll submit it for review. Within 24 to 72 hours, you're going to get something back. It'll either be an approval or please fix this. And once you fix that, it'll be live on Amazon. You can even share the link. I just published a video analyzing real KDP books. The full video is linked up here. It gives you real examples and profit calculations. And I also have a complete side hustle playlist. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.